So for this module's only objective, it is calculating descriptive statistics on data. So starting off, descriptive statistics are used to organize, summarize, describe, present data sets, and they talk about numbers that summarize observations or characteristics of data sets. So starting with how we describe data sets, we use something called a central tendency. And a central tendency is a single value that attempts to describe a set of data by identifying a central tendency within a set of data. So the three types of central tendencies we have are mean, median, and mode, and those are used to calculate descriptive stats on data. So when it comes to mode, it is the number or score that appears the most. The mode is the fastest one to find. This is the best central tendency for categorical data. It is not influenced by extreme scores. So when it comes to when you look at mode on a histogram, this is the value that appears the most. And then we have median, and this represents the number or value that is in the middle of a data set. So when you look at the median, 50% of the values are below that number, and then the other 50% are above that median value. So this is the best statistic to use when the data is skewed, and the median is not affected by extreme scores, and the median does not change much. Lastly, we have the mean, and it is known as the arithmetic value. It is only performed with ratio and interval data. It is the most sensitive since all scores are weighed equally, and then the outliers do have a strong effect on the mean. And then, so when it comes to types of variables and then the best measure of central tendencies, we have a nominal variable, ordinal variable, interval ratio, which is not skewed, and then interval ratio skewed. So when it comes to nominal, mode is the best measure of tendency. For ordinal, it's median, and then for interval ratio not skewed, it's mean, and then interval ratio skewed, it is median. So that is one of the most common ways to calculate descriptive statistics on data.